What's up, guys? Good evening. This is Captain A3A from the Airport Lounge. Tonight, I have a special review. This is a special shout going to Midge HD. Say hello to Air New Zealand Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner in the scale 1/200 by Skymarks. Now, this is in the All Blacks livery. A football team in New Zealand. Air New Zealand first received this aircraft in 2013. They originally had only 15 planes, but they have 35 additional orders. The Air New Zealand customer code with Boeing is 19. Now I'm going to give you a tour of the aircraft, starting with the PO tubes and stack ports, the cockpit windshield and windshield wipers. The L1 door. Air New Zealand is a member of Star Alliance. The Air New Zealand billboard. The two jacks turbofan engines come along the wings. Now look at this beautiful livery on Air New Zealand 787. Give it a nice shot right there. And Air New Zealand's livery on the tail of the 787. The APU, the auxiliary power unit. The tailplanes. Now I'm going to bring you on to the port and starboard side of the aircraft. Air New Zealand has the same exact livery that's on their 777-319ER. Come along the wings. Up to the jacks, turbofan engines, the Air New Zealand tiles, and that's it. Air New Zealand uses the Boeing 787 on the flights out of Auckland to a number of destinations. That includes only to Asia, but they have destinations in Los Angeles, San Francisco, Houston, George H. Bush Intercontinental, and New York John F. Kennedy International Airport. Frankfurt in Germany. Paris Charles de Gaulle. London Heathrow. And that is just some of the destinations that Air New Zealand flies to. So anyway, I would like to say thank you very much for watching this video. This video will shortly be posted to YouTube. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. This is Captain A3A from the Airport Lounge. I'll see you next time.